In this short tutorial, you will learn how to fix the Telegram search not working on your Android device. Many users face this issue, and it can be frustrating. But don't worry. There are simple steps you can follow to get the search feature back up and running. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see apps. Tap on it. In the apps section, tap on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Now type in Telegram. You should see Telegram appear in the search results. Select it by tapping on its name. Then tap Force Stop to close the app completely. Next, tap on Permissions. You'll see various permissions listed here. Make sure all necessary permissions are enabled. Allowing these permissions ensures that Telegram can perform optimally without restrictions. After adjusting permissions, go back and scroll down a bit and tap Storage. Here, you'll want to tap Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that may be causing problems without affecting your chats or data stored in the app. Clearing cache can often resolve performance issues and restore functionality across various features of apps like Telegram. If, after following these steps, the search function is still not working properly, consider restarting your phone. A simple restart can refresh system processes and clear out any lingering bugs that might affect app performance. Just hold down the power button until you see options for restarting your device, then select Restart. You can also try reinstalling Telegram as a last resort. Uninstall it from your device, then download it again from the Google Play Store. This should restore all features, including the search function. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.